Fireproof, explained. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the word fireproof. Have you ever wondered what it means and how to use it? You're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. Fireproof is a compound word, made up of two distinct words, fire and proof. Fire refers to the rapid oxidation of a material in the exothermic chemical process, producing heat, light, and various reaction products. Proof, in this context, refers to the ability to withstand something, especially over time. When combined, fireproof essentially means able to withstand fire or its effects. Fireproof can be used in various contexts, but it mostly refers to materials or objects. Let's explore some examples. 1. Materials and objects. Buildings, safes, clothing, and documents can be made fireproof. 2. E.g., the documents are stored in a fireproof safe. 3. E.g., wear a fireproof jacket when working near open flames. 4. Figurative usage. On rare occasions, fireproof can be used metaphorically to mean immune to criticism or failure. 5. E.g., despite the many controversies surrounding him, his reputation seemed fireproof. Understanding synonyms can provide more context. Some synonyms for fireproof are flame-resistant, non-combustible, flame-retardant. These terms might be used interchangeably, but always ensure they fit the context appropriately. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and usage of the word fireproof. Now, whenever you come across this term, not only will you recognize it, but you'll also know how to use it like a pro. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep learning and expanding your vocabulary. Until next time.